Hey guys, Richard here from Car Sound Security. So what we got today here is a BMW M5 2019. This is a really beautiful car, very powerful. Now these cars are very sought after by thieves and they're very vulnerable because it only takes 60 seconds and they can steal your car and it's gone. Now what we've done to combat this is we've installed what's called the Ghost Immobiliser system. Now this is the Ghost. So the way the Ghost 2 works is you have to put in a pin code. This allows you to start the car. Now I'm going to show you a scenario where the thieves would clone your key and they would start your car. So right, the thieves cloned your key, your car unlocks wirelessly, so as you can see it opens. Now they get in your car. Now what they're going to do is they're going to start it. When they go to start it, the car will turn on, but when they're trying to drive off with it, as you can see, it shuts off. When you put it into gear, the Ghost system kicks in and prevents it from being driven away. Now how you would deactivate so that when you get in the car you can drive off with it is this. So you turn on, car is on now. What you do is you put the code in. So at the moment we got it set on the paddle shift, but you can use any buttons combination you want to your choosing and make your own custom pin code. So I'm going to enter the pin code now. So you press this 1 2 3 4. As you can see, the indicators on there flashed. That allows you to know that now the Ghost is disabled and now you can drive the car. So you put it into gear. As you can see, the car does not stall out. So yeah, if you want this system installed on your car, guys, give us a shout on 0208 554 5554, or even drop us an email on info@carsoundsecurity.com. Thanks.